Alright, hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a new video, and today it is episode number 4 of the Scratch tutorial series, and today we are going to be working a little bit more on our paddleball game. Now, when I was in the US, that is 5 years ago, my dad had owned a BlackBerry phone. I'm not sure what the name of the game was, but basically you had to hit the ball. The ball had to go and hit a block, and the block would eventually break. Alright? And yeah, I want to work towards that today, and I am just going to rename some of these sprites. Game over. Alright, paddle, ball, button, let me name this block. So, basically in the last episode what we did is we programmed the ball and the paddle. So, it worked kind of like that. And like, as you saw, my ball, it hit the block right now, like that. So, the block would eventually break. Alright, and how we're going to do that is we're going to work with one block first. We're going to make a few sprites. If you play Minecraft like I do, Minecraft block breaking. I think, yeah, basically I'll show you. Images. Yeah, so basically what happens is it goes from this to this to this to this to this to this. Now, can I get a PNG picture of that? Can I? No, I can't. Alright. Okay, that's fine. I can make my own, I think. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to use this. So this is from, this picture is from painterlypack.net. Alright? Painterlypack.net. If you want this picture for yourself. I'm going to just save this picture as block breaking in my folder. Let me go to Scratch games. I'm just gonna save it here. Okay, now let me open that picture over here. I'm just gonna quickly open that. Projects of where is it? It's in games. Block breaking. Alright, so here it is. Now I need these top blocks over here, so I'm going to use the select tool. I'm going to remove all of these other ones. Yeah, I can make this picture larger if I want. Oh no, I don't want to do that, because then if it goes out of the frame, no, I'm going to cut that. When it goes out of the frame, it deletes. Each Scratch is a little buggy, but don't worry about it. So I can make this bigger, I suppose. Like that, yeah, and I can take out every individual block. So I can just remove what I'm gonna use this. It's a little lengthy, the process. What? Okay, this is weird. What just happened? Okay, very odd. So I'm gonna remove. Yeah. Okay. Now, as for the first block, I want it to stay like this. For this, and for the second block, I want this design to come here. So I can just do that approximately. I think that's how big it is. Control C. This I can make a new one. So, yeah, new costume. Actually, no. Scratch, you're buggy. Duplicate. Okay, and I want this to come here. So Control V. Will that work? Please tell me it works. Alright, doesn't work. So delete that. It's fine. I'm just going to use some drawings. I'm going to convert this to a bitmap, and I'm going to use the pencil tool, the thing tool, and I'm just going to draw some cracks. Alright, so that is going to be my first one. Let me duplicate this. This here is going to have a little more cracks. It's going to come like that. Yeah. Let me duplicate this. This is going to have a lot of cracks actually. No. God, I'm not that good at drawing cracks, but you get it. And the fifth one is going to be. And the fifth one is going to be that. So once it comes to here, it's going to break. Right? So let me get this in the center over here. It looks so unnatural. I mean, I guess you guys can do better with the cracks. Okay, now let's go to script and let's go to when this flag is clicked. I wanted to switch to the costume, the first costume over here. So I'm just going to do that by saying switch to costume, the number. Okay, so this name is the costume number, and I can just change this to number 5. Alright. Then, when the ball hits the block, I wanted to change to the next costume. So if let me put a forever loop so that this checks forever. If the ball is touching me, if touching ball, then next costume. Alright, so let's see how this works. Yes? Alright, so that does work. Except for the fact that this is not centered as much as I would like it to. So I'm just going to center this to around about here. No, it doesn't work. I'm going to center this actually. So just center it to the center. This one I'm going to center it to the center. This one as well, right over there. This one over here. Yeah, okay, that should work. Okay, now the only problem is that, let's say it touches, like, let me try. Come on, touch. Yeah, it just changes very quickly. So I want to put let me put a wait. Let me put a wait 1 second. Alright, so now if it touches, come on, touch. Oh God, how unlucky. Come on, touch. Yeah. Okay, that works. But the ball is going through. So we want to repeat this if touching paddle thing over here as well. So I'm going to do this duplicate. I'm going to remove this though. If touching block. Alright. So now it should bounce in theory. Come on, touch the block. Are you kidding? Yeah, okay, that works. Yeah. Alright, that works. It doesn't really follow physics as well. I mean, the ball just like bounces everywhere. But now what we can do is we can duplicate these blocks. So we can duplicate, 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 duplicate. Depends on how many blocks you really want. Okay, so that's the first block, I suppose. Where's the first one? There it is. Second block, I want to let the first block be here. Second block be there. Third block over there. So maybe I'll have like 2 rows of 4 blocks each. You can place these blocks wherever you want really. You can make like different levels. Like in the first level you've got 1 block. Second level you've got 2 blocks. Then maybe you've got a block which takes more time to break. I mean, that's how I remember the game at least. Where's the 7th one? Is that the 7th one? Okay, duplicate again. And yeah, so that works. Now, you just got to duplicate this. If touching block, let's duplicate touching block 2. Let's duplicate that to touching block 3 and touching block 4. Duplicate that to touching block 5. Touching block 6. Duplicate that to touching block 7. Touching block 8. Right, and this goes right over here. And this goes right on the bottom. Okay. Let's that works. What? Okay, this is weird. Let us play again, shall we? Okay, it works. Okay, why is that happening? Okay. Game works. Okay, I think that is because the blocks are too close, maybe. So let's see, we might want to have 6 blocks. So we can delete block 8, block 7, and from here we can delete, because it needs space to move as well, right? So I can delete these 2. Okay, and I can like arrange them like this. We go one in the center, we go one over here, we go one over here. We need one over here, one over here, let's say. And we have like one over here maybe. Okay, no, bad idea. So again, 5 blocks. So let's try with that. Okay, and also for making this weight, let me make it instead weight point for 0.25. So that'll make it more accurate. No. Can't do anything about that, can I? Oh well, that works. So it's good. It's like a basic game. You can make more stuff with it. I have no idea how to fix that bug because it's literally unfixable. Okay, now we might try to start with the scoring system. Come on, go that side. I'm in that side. Go that. Are you kidding me? Come on, finish. Okay, I give up. Okay, now we need to start with the scoring section, and whenever I'm working with variables, I always tend to make a new sprite, and I name this sprite variable the lists. But right now I'm not using lists, and so I'm just going to name it variables. So I mean, I get more range. So here I can do when this is started. I can make 2 variables. I can make the time, and I can make score. So I'll make time played, which is that time, and I'll make a new one, and this is score. Alright, so I'm going to set both of these to 0, 0 in the beginning, and then I'm going to forever change time by 1, but this will happen forever, so this won't actually count seconds. Look at this, look at the time. So here we want to put a wait. Okay, so you want it to wait for 1 second so that it counts every second. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, or actually, you know what? We can use a timer. So let us reset timer in the beginning, and we can set time to forever timer. So instead of change, we can put a set time to timer. Yeah, look at that. It works. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now it gives you a more accurate time. Alright, and then I can reset the time. Alright, as for the score, and also right click these variables, make them a large readout so that, you know, it's probably easier for, so you can, see, and then we can write down what these things are. Or you can just make the, normal thing. But anyways, as for the score, I want to change score by 5. Alright, that goes quite quick. That goes quite quick. No, it goes quite quick. So that changes the score, and whenever I hit one of these blocks, I want score to change by 100. Okay, score changed by 100. So duplicate that. I want to duplicate that. Just go ahead and put this in everything. Okay, the maximum time for my video is 15 minutes. We are at 14 minutes 45 seconds. Can I do this quickly? Alright, now let's just try it. 49. Okay, yeah, see, look at that. The score changes. Alright, good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like down below, put any queries down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.